Hi everyone. Well, here I am with Heidi again from You Are the Chef.
Hi, 大家好，我是 Heidi， 我是洋厨房的主持人。
That's right.
Oh, I thought I should speak Chinese today. Do you mind?
No, please do.
I
got a
figured
lot
you'd be
of
able to
Chinese
followers,
viewers.
yeah.
That's right.
And I
if you
figured-
are, let us know down below.
I figured you would probably understand everything that I said.
Well, I
So,
speak fluent Mandarin myself, so yeah.
Ni hao.
Yes. About 5 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll start off. This is something that I created. It's a sour drink. Okay, so it uses, and it's really healthy. The only partially not healthy thing in it is the gin, but still it's got
It's potatoes, right?
yeah,
We're
potatoes.
Irish.
Oh, I don't even know if it's potatoes. Like
Oh, hang on, that's whiskey. No, that's vodka.
no,
Gin is...
well, gin is vodka with botanicals, but it can be made on just about anything. It could be sweet potatoes, turnip, you know, anything. So,
Fair enough.
我们开始吧。好 ，OK。这次我们只用这种的西柚汁、柠檬，还有青柠檬，还有一点金酒，非常简单。好 ，Let's start it.
All
Okay.
right.
So we
So
take
we get
the
lime,
青柠檬。
the ching lemon.
Mm-hmm.
How many limes? How many ching lemons?
我们做3个杯子，3个人，所以我想我们还是用2个青柠檬。
Okay.
Yeah.
So 2 of them. That's for 3 glasses.
The 3 glasses because you know we've got lemon and everything else there, so we're gonna. Okay, and this I think this drink is particularly good because it is a real immune booster. It's got all your vitamin C and everything, so it's like it'll kill anything.
Well,
with
we love the
gin.
C, we love the D too, don't we?
Yeah.
All right, so
Okay, last one.
2 ching lemons.
Yes. It's quite impressive. I like the
I told you.
Australian accent that's put into it, but it was actually very good, I have to
thank
say. Okay, so we're going to do 2 lemons.
Otherwise known as...
Nimon.
Oh, lemon.
Nimon. So
Oh, lemons.
Ching Nimon, hail Nimon. So Ching is green, which you knew. So it's basically a green lemon. And this
Green
is
lemon.
a Nimon. Yeah.
So they don't have a word for lime.
Yeah, Ching Nimon.
Well, that's not really. It's not a green lemon, is it? It's a lime. It's a different tree. It's a different
I'm
species.
sure that they probably do have a technical word that, but no one uses it. So maybe you could create one.
Doesn't
What do you
matter.
think, Greg's?
Nah, it doesn't matter.
Greg's lemon.
Oh, so we've got
We're
two,
gonna do. This
two
is a sour
limes.
drink. Yeah, but I'm making 3 drinks here, so
Okay.
I'm sort of, you know, going all out. If you
All
know what
these
I mean.
recipes are for 3 drinks. So, well, you wouldn't be having this alone at home, would you? It's party
you
time.
do though, don't
Oh,
you?
well,
Let's
you
be
know, I
honest,
practice.
Greg does often find himself sitting in that rocking chair with a drink in his hand. Every time he walks back, it goes straight into his mouth.
It's normally beer too.
Is it?
Unfortunately.
What's your favourite beer? Ooh.
Well, I'm a mid-strength drinker because I just have like
You like to have
20
a
at a
few.
time.
Yeah.
So,
I like Stone. This is pretty impressive. I like Stone and Wood, the pale ales and all that
pale
sort of
ales,
thing.
yeah, I'm a big
and
pale ale fan.
I believe it's from this area too. You know, they're apparently near in.
Stone and Wood?
Yeah, aren't
could
they?
be. A
Maybe
Byron, you reckon?
they could be. They could be in Melbourne. Who knows?
Camera person, you reckon Byron or something?
Something like that.
So here we go. We've got
Okay.
a grapefruit.
Now I'm going to use my fingers here because we're going to make it really healthy and put some fibre.
Well, we all need that, especially at our age. you know.
Yeah, helps us keep regular, you know. So I'm going to just pop that
And
in
it's
there.
flavour too.
I love it.
And
Just gives a
texture.
bit of texture. Oh, so good.
So it's the best of all worlds.
Yes, but I do want to point out that with the grapefruit, if anyone's going to ask, can they use a normal grapefruit? You can, but it's probably not going to be very nice. The ruby grapefruit is the best. 这个西柚汁.
The shiorchu.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow, it's hard work. It's good exercise, eh? Good for your muscles.
Okay. So this is the fun part. We're going to, we're actually going to put some ice into these glasses.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Get the ice in.
Get it in.
Whack
mate.
it in, get it in.
Or as we say in Chinese,
放进去.
Oh, that was polite.
Yeah, well, it can be used in a number of ways, but it depends on how you use it. Okay, I'm doing 2 different types. They're pretty much the same, but I like to have the one that's in the champagne glass. Okay.
Gin.
This time we're using a Japanese. 这次我们用一个日本的一个 gin 酒，我觉得也是不错的。I have to say, I am a massive fan of still London standard gins because they've got beautiful botanicals. I don't know if you do gin back to back, you'll know what the difference is. But this is amazing, and I never thought that they'd be able to make a gin, but apparently they can, and it's quite good. I'm going to make yours.
Okay, go hard.
I am, don't worry. And I'm not very good at knowing what...
I said go hard. That was a bit soft.
Was that soft, was it?
Well, yours is gone.
Well, I want it to taste nice.
Oh, yeah,
it's
of
not
course.
For me.
Okay.
This one's for me, okay.
Oh.
So for all those women out there that want to go a little bit softer...
Right.
We just put a little bit in. But then what we do, you want to take this off. And this is super important, otherwise you're going to get all the different flavours. We're going to mix it up. Alrighty, rock and roll. You ready?
Oh, yum. Has this drink got a name?
Sour gin.
A sour gin?
A sour gin.
We do love our citrus and sourness, don't we? It's the juice.
We're keeping it.
It's healthy.
Okay, so what I would do with mine, I would actually just do gin and all these citrus fruits. But if you want a slightly longer drink, I would use mineral water. And it just, especially if the weather's really hot, 如果天气非常热，那你就可以加一点那个 soda 水, so you can add a bit of mineral water.
Right.
All right. Shall we do a garnish for this? Make it look nice?
Yes, of course.
Why not? Let's just do it like this. Yeah. And all right, and then we just cut straight down the middle. So it's got a place to sit. We are getting super fancy here. If your cocktail, what do you call them? People that make cocktails? Mixologists. Oh. If they make it with dirty hands like this, you should send it back. Ta-da!
Oh yeah.
So I'm going to just mix this up so that it's a bit of a sunrise. Depending on how red these are. Oh, seriously, I'm going to take this one.
Okay.
This one's for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Well,
cheers.
Looks all right, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very healthy drink.
The sour gin.
Sour gin.
Holy sourness.
I know, I love it.
Yeah, I love the sour.
Because, especially when it's really hot, and this one you probably wouldn't drink as much of, but when it's really hot out, it's just so refreshing. Like, you've just been down at the beach, you've gone for a swim, and you're like, wow.
Keep talking.
And then bam, someone puts it in your hand and you're like on that rocking chair going.
Throwing in the extra rocks.
Exactly.
Just keep pushing.
Yeah. Sour gin. There we go.
There we go. The sour gin.
Doesn't
by
get better
Heidi.
than that.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, and hope that you're having a good time alone.
Yep. So yeah.